Hello and welcome to today's brand new web launch from Two Red Robins. Oh my goodness, these are the cutest characters. Wait till you see them. Let me introduce you to our beautiful little toads. Here's a little sneaky peek at one of the cards our design team have lovingly made. This is super cute. We got our little couple. So if you like cards with a little bit of fun, a little bit of energy, a little bit of maybe tongue-in-cheek humour, we've got our toads from Toadally Awesome added to the Two Red Robins range. So let's take a look. This is Terence. And he is sitting there rather proud. He kind of saying, oh, hello, and how may I help you today? He's got plenty of cut line details. If you did want to colour him yourself, you would be absolutely more than welcome to. He does come with his surround die as well, which makes the perfect topper for your designs. But if you're looking for this coloured artwork, it is a free download available from highlightcrafts.com. And of course, you can then snip into him. So if you want to give your character a lot of height, a lot of dimensions, snip into him, decoupage him up, layer him up, and give him a lot of prominence on the front of your cards. Now, we couldn't have our lovely Terence without introducing you to his lady friend. Let's introduce you to Teresa. And here she is. I mean, doesn't she have the most stunning bonnet with these beautiful yellow flowers on? And again, it's just a little bit of tongue-in-cheek. It's a little bit of fun. You know, it might be an anniversary card. It might be a wedding card. It might be something where you want to send a little bit of humour to a loved one or family friend. Now, you've got, again, that same cut line detail. You've got, again, that surround die. And, of course, the ability to layer and decoupage these up too with I just love the look of her. I mean, that face, it just sings personality, doesn't it? So, so sweet. So let's take a look at how you could be using these in your card designs. Here, we've got a wonderful little tag design where we've got Terence and Teresa, our little toads, just absolutely loving life. They have got their little hats on. They are ready to meet and greet, and there we're using them as just part of the card design. So look to other collections you might already have, look to your gift tags, and of course, absolutely, this is crying out for a really fun pun inspired sentiment. You are totally awesome there. How's about going for something a little bit more like a freestanding card design? So again, Terence and Teresa sitting on a picnic basket amongst the lily pads. So look to other Two Red Robins collections. Look to building on that story that you may already have. Things like Once Upon a Time, you know, the picnic bunnies, Perfect Picnic, really, really sweet for adding in those little details and introducing new stories with new characters there as well. Again, look to your construction acetate. This is a really fun way of crafting with your freestanding card designs, making a little kickstand, using that construction acetate and then decorating, again, two of those little toads snuggled up on their little lily pad there. Or if you want to bring in something like your fundamental dies, for example, what about something like this? This is a lot of fun. I love the colours in this. I love the really inviting quality of it as well. And of course, having those toads nestled behind the flowers, decoupaged up, so they're the main feature of the card design, is really, really pretty. Creating that kind of, I don't know, larger than a circle design, then introducing the lily pads at the bottom, and of course, then building in the story around your characters. So of course, being Two Red Robins, this collection comes with your dies, Terence and Teresa, which you can then of course decoupage up. It also comes with the SVG files. So if you are a scan and cut enthusiast, those files are available as a download on our website too, as well as the artwork pack for these characters, which is your Minecraft studio. We are looking forward to bringing you even more collections from Two Red Robins. So stay tuned to our social media, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and hit that notify button for our YouTube videos as well, so you can keep up to date with all the latest creations. And you know what? Why not share with us whatever you make with this wonderful collection over on our Facebook group, Highlight Crafts Official. If you would like to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to receive notifications on all our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.